Hi viewers, today we're going to look at the Excel VBA OCT formula, which basically converts numbers into the octal value equivalent. First of all, I need to record a macro that I'm going to write my code in. So I'm going to go to the View tab within the macro section of the View tab. I'm going to select from the drop down Record Macro. I'm going to name this macro oct underscore fx for function, octal function. Click on OK, and then I'm going to stop the macro from running. I'm going to click on the drop down macro lists within the View tab. I'm going to click on View Macros. I'm going to click on Edit Macro, and then I'm going to get rid of the comment stuff with the apostrophes in green. And within the sub and end sub statements, I'm going to enter my code. The stuff with apostrophe in green, the comments, and what I'm interested in is this message box function here. This message box function, basically within the brackets you've got the oct formula, which is the octal value formula, and within those brackets you can see the number 559. So this number 559 is going to be converted to an octal value equivalent in the message box. So if I click on play, which is basically run all, if you click on the F5 function, it basically plays the macro, runs the macro, and the octal value of 559 is actually 1057, 1057. And that's the octal function in Excel VBA 2013.